fire alarm triggered for the fire brigade to come in response. They came with the police, only to discover a ritual in progress.
It's probably that's what I think.
Can I get through?
And it's about right there where you see the hesitation of this young man to allowing the policeman to go down. When the firemen came, they went right through, but they're almost blocking because they know what's happening downstairs.
Hey guys, what's going on here? What's going on? I'll definitely need 133 here.
This is the alarm here.
All right, who's in charge? Looks like we have quite a bit of hazing. So I'm gonna ask again, who's in charge?
We can talk upstairs.
No, we're gonna talk right here. Who's in charge?
A couple of us are. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
This is a police department. This stops here. Who's in charge?
We're upstairs.
So I want to freeze the video right here and just take in what this police officer walked into. You have dozens of presumably frat pledges, people trying to make this fraternity, some of them shirtless, covered in muck. There's a guy who seems to have a blindfold on. These are the kids that are trying to be initiated into the frat, and they are just terrified to say anything to police or maybe say the wrong thing in front of the upperclassmen.
How about we start cleaning this up. Everyone take their blindfolds off. You see anything over there?
No, I mean just one dangerous fire code violation.
Let's understand what the roles of these secret societies is. It's to get you to priesthood. It's to get you to a point where you practice witchcraft, to a point where you can evolve in the arts, to a point where you develop rituals. So ritual practice is speaking one language.
Yeah.
That's the language they know they can speak and never have confused.
Yeah.
When they say, you see on TikTok, you see people saying, oh, you want to cleanse your space, take a white candle, do this. What is that? It's ritual practice. You are speaking the language of one.
Yeah.
According to them. Don't take part in those things. You're asking for trouble.
Yeah.
That's the language that they speak.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to pray? No, don't put a bowl of water here and put a white candle, 3 white candles and 1 red one. Or they'll tell you, surround yourself with candles. Don't do that.
Yeah.
A couple different code violations.
So what's going on in here? You don't know? You're just blocking the door so we can't see you live here. How does nobody live here then? Just hanging out?
You tell me.
No, you tell me.
I don't know.
You go to University of Iowa?
Yeah.
You do? What's your major?
Business.
Business? What's your name?
Why?
Just wondering what your name is.
Jose.
Jose? Jose, what's your last name?
Why?
Just wondering who I'm talking to.
I want to tell you that. I don't want to tell you that.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
All right.
Want to see my ID?
Yeah, you got an ID or anything to prove?
I think it's fake. I think it's fake.
You think it's fake? You think it's fake or you know it's fake? There's two different things there. Campus 142, one by DL, number at Iowa when you're ready.
As he is speaking to this young man at the door, you can almost tell the secrecy that they have vowed to never tell the secret of the brotherhood. They almost hesitate to tell him anything. They're cheeky. They say weird things. This guy even says his ID is fake. And later on, there's something he says to the officer about blood and listen to what he says, it sounds like these people are in a trance right in front of the camera.
That looks like blood, is it? Shining your light. Is it blood?
That's what I'm asking.
I'll taste it.
No.
Okay.
Do you see why we're here? Why we're asking questions?
I don't know. You got the wrong guy.
Does anyone want to be forthcoming on what's going on? Anyone? Because you got to see it from my perspective. What the did I just walk into?
Celebration
Nobody? Celebration of what?
of life.
Okay, sweet.
And you just notice this group of kids trying to make this fraternity, they are so obedient to the brothers of this frat.
Okay, you two. The reason I pulled you guys aside. We're here for public safety at this point. What's on your arms?
Oh.
Where are you guys going now?
Excuse us.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. We're gonna take a few photos, guys, okay?
All right.
Photos on the living. Excuse me. Is there a light in here?
Yeah, it's on the left, I believe. Yeah, I see it.
Thank you.
You don't need the light?
No, I'm good now. Just go slow with it. Yeah, they definitely did these windows.
That's when I was walking up. I couldn't see him at all.
Yeah. Pitch black. Almost pitch black. I didn't realize there were gonna be lights down here. Just figured they didn't work.
Yeah, this frat house is a dump.
Sometimes when you tell people about ritual practices that happen out there, if you listen to one of the young kids in there, when he was being questioned, he was asked, "What is your major?" He said his major is business. And you will see that this transitions over into all kinds of areas of life. There's guys who are part of fraternities and secret societies. They bring that filth, secrecy vowed to the brotherhood over to the world. It affects the kind of lives that we see impacted out there. And also, you see why discipleship is important. They have their brotherhood that is out here pushing its own agendas. The gospel needs its people who are aligned with it to keep speaking the truth. This is heartbreaking. It was one of the most weird thing I've ever seen. I've seen worse, but this was weird. The police officer just randomly just walked in on a ritual live happening.